In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change host in Hostinger in just 5 minutes. Transitioning your website to a new host can seem daunting, but with these simple steps, I'll guide you through the process seamlessly. First, you'll want to navigate to Hostinger's website. Hostinger is known for its reliable platform, making it a great choice for managing your web hosting needs. Once you're there, you'll see the option to log in, typically located in the upper right corner of your screen. Click on that to proceed. When you're logging in, ensure you have your credentials ready. If you're already a Hostinger user, logging in should be quick and easy. After logging in, you'll be directed to Hostinger's H panel. This is where you manage all aspects of your hosting account. From the H panel, locate and click on the Home option. This brings you to the main dashboard where you can manage various functions of your hosting. Next, take a look at the left-hand side of your dashboard. You'll see a menu with several options. Here you will find and click on Websites. This is where you manage all the websites you have hosted with Hostinger. After accessing the website section, the next step you'll want to follow is to click on Migrations. This is crucial for transferring your website from one host to another. If you're moving your site to Hostinger from another host, the migration section is tailored to make this transition smooth for you. Once you're in the Migrations section, you'll find a button labeled Migrate Website. Click this option to begin the migration process. Hostinger has streamlined this part to make transferring your website files and databases from an old host to Hostinger as straightforward as possible. At this point, you'll typically have to enter the details of your previous hosting provider. This usually includes information such as your old control panel, URL, username and password for that host. Make sure you enter these details accurately to avoid any hiccups along the way. After filling out these details, follow the prompts given on screen. Hostinger may require additional information specific to your setup, but generally just follow the instructions provided and you'll be on your way. Keep an eye on any emails or notifications from Hostinger following this process, as they might contain important updates or actions required on your part to finalize the migration. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to change host in Hostinger. Transitioning hosting can feel complex, but when broken down into these steps, it becomes much more manageable. Hostinger is there to support you if you run into any issues, so don't hesitate to reach out to their customer support. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps make your hosting experience smooth and trouble-free.